Yeah, not the best day to ski up here, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I told my dad it's gonna be like this. He paid for 5 days, but he thought that we could ski. So one day we went and visited Zermatt, and he thought that even if we missed one day, it will still be available today, but no, because there was an option to get 5 days in 7 days, but he got 5 consecutive days. So we missed a day when we went to visit Zermatt, and so I had to pay another 70 francs for just today. He didn't pay it anymore, so he's not skiing today. I told him, but oh well, it is what it is. Let's enjoy it. Damn, I can't see. There's a snow blizzard storm, snowstorm.